Good morning, sir. I'm Rupal from Construction Chronicle, and we are here at the XCon 2023. Let's start this interview with a brief introduction of yours.
Yes, so my name is Neeraj, and I am Managing Director for Fine Equipments India Private Limited. And we've been doing this business for last almost 23 years now. And we are based in, our headquarters are in Pune, our factory is in Pune. And we are going through a network of dealers throughout the country.
Is there any new product launch from your side?
Yes, this time we have launched a lot of concrete consolidation products, needle vibrators, pokers. We have also launched 2 utility machines, which can replace labor or can give a better working conditions to the working labor force, mini dumper and mini concrete. We have also launched 2 new excavators, mini excavators, 2 ton and 3.5 tons. So this is the new launches.
And if we talk about technology, what kind of technology you are using apart from IoT?
We are continuously trying to understand what exactly is the need of the customer, not only in terms of I would say technology or electronic technology, but in terms of the need or the utility. So we are focusing more on that. So I would say we are working more on mechanical technology than the IoT part of it. So whatever is the need of the sites, job sites, we are focusing on that.
What kind of projects you are currently working on, or you are about to work on in the future?
In terms of products, we are working on modifying our mini excavators, take it to a next level of improvement. We are also trying to improve upon our walk behind rollers, and then there are a lot of joint ventures which we are working upon, so that we can have technology from other countries who are better than us in terms of know-how, bring the technology to India, and also take brand India and brand Fine across the globe through this process.
Could you brief us about the joint ventures you have mentioned in earlier answer?
Yeah, so we have made one joint venture with a Korean company to start manufacturing hydraulic attachments in India and also export from here. So it is like shifting their business to India. Apart from that, we have formed a joint venture company with a Japanese company. It's a trading joint venture. So it's not about manufacturing, it is purely about trading, where we would be bringing products from Japan to India, and the same joint venture company would try to sell products sourced from India across the globe.
And how Fine Equipment is contributing in Atmanirbhar Bharat or Make in India policy?
Yeah, so most of these products we are trying to slowly through JVs, through technical collaboration types, we are trying to make most of these products in India to a greater extent, and we are also trying to promote products made in India outside. So that is where we are trying to create a awareness of Make in India brand, not only in India but outside also.
So from how many years you are participating in XCon? So do you see any changes, in the or growth in XCon or participating here?
I think we've been participating since 2004, if I'm not wrong, and it is growing every year. And as compared to any other similar exhibition, this exhibition holds a special value, not only for exhibitors, but I think for visitors also, for people from other countries. It's growing from few halls, it has grown to multiple halls. So, and the quality of meetings which we are having is also it is improving, it is going to a different level.
So wrapping up this conversation, would you like to send any message to your customers?
Our efforts are to provide after sales support the best possible, and that is our logo also, raising benchmarks of after sales support. We're always focusing on that part. We'll keep providing the best of possible after sales support, and we are thankful to them They have taken us from a very small organization to a level where we are confident to bring about bigger products, joint ventures, or talk big at least. Thank you very much to all the customers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.